Okay, as always, we're going to be starting off with basic shapes. If you're not sure how to do this still, have a go at tracing the basic shapes. Make all the parts of the body into really easy to draw shapes. And then when you've done that, see if you can copy all those shapes you've done onto a separate piece of paper. And this is going to train your eye to draw those shapes and make it easier for you to draw any character. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making it really easy for myself and following my picture of Sonic before adding more of the details. Make sure you're keeping this bit really light. You don't want to sketch it in too hard because we're going to go over it again and refine all the details after you've done your first sketch. So when we go over it again, we're going to make all the lines a bit more clear and make them a bit more detailed as well. Make sure you're looking at your reference picture all the time to do this. Don't be tempted just to go back over the lines you've already drawn. On this picture, I'm using a mixture of really straight lines and then curved lines as well, just to make my character look a bit more interesting. So you can see here, I'm trying not to go over exactly the same lines I've already drawn. I'm improving my drawing each time I go over it. And you have to make sure you look at your reference picture to do this. So I chose this picture of Sonic because I like the way his hands were, and I'm interested in trying to get better at drawing hands. And I thought it was a good chance to see how this artist has drawn Sonic's hands. Again, here I'm using a mixture of really straight edge lines and curvy lines too. I don't always do this, but today I've decided I'm going to rub out the character because I'd gone over it with quite heavy lines, and this leaves like a ghost drawing that makes it easy to go over and do your ink work. I decided to start off with the Sharpie pen and do some really thick lines to begin with, and then move on to my fine liner to add all the fine details afterwards. This bit's really cool because you've done all the hard work and all you have to do now is enjoy making your line work look really good. The only danger is make sure you don't smudge your line work with your own hand. So if you're right-handed like me, always try to start from the left and work your way across and down. For left-handed, you can do it the other way. To colour Sonic, I just laid down some flat colours to start with, so I did blue for his fur, or spikes I guess they are, a creamy peach colour for his fleshy bits, red for his shoes, and green for his eyes too. After that, I used some pencil crayons just to darken certain bits to start adding in some shade, and then I just carried on working my way through the piece and adding more and more shading and colours. So here I added more and more dark to really bring in the shadows. And then to finish it off, I used a Posca pen just to add in some highlights. If you like drawing gaming characters, have a look at this picture I did of Yoshi. Check it out, and I'll see you next time. Peace!